Another important thing to make sure of good data quality is the pile cushion we use. Usually, we use plywood as a pile cushion to lower the impact force on the pile head to avoid the concrete break, and make sure the force is evenly applied on pile head. So usually we recommend using a plywood as a pile cushion with the thickness of 50 to 100 millimeters. The pile cushion, if it's too thin, pile head could be easy to break. But if it's too thick, it will absorb too much energy. It will not easy to activate the soil resistance. And next is the sensor installation. We need to make sure that we install the sensors properly to get a good data quality. Here's some points of the sensor installation. First is the location. Usually we require to install the sensors 2D below the pile top, at least 1.5D, and where D is the diameter of the pile. And second, the distance between the boreholes for strain gauge is 76 millimeters. The distance between strain gauge and accelerometer is about 50 to 100 millimeters. This is not very strict. Here's the picture of the sensor installation. And here is the sketch of sensor installation from ASTM. This is for pipe pile. This is for concrete square pile. And this is for wooden pile. And the last one is for steel edge pile. The second is the bolts we used to install the sensors. Usually we recommend use good quality bolts, 304316 stainless steel. Bolt's diameter is 6 millimeters, and we need to use a drill head with diameter of 8 millimeters to drill the hole on the pile. When installing the sensors, we make sure to attach the sensors to pile surface tightly, and the sensors should parallel to the axle of the pile. And the wire tail points to the ground, especially for the accelerometers. Actually, for strain sensors, the direction of the wire is it doesn't matter.